That's all we got right now. Let's do that. Okay. Oh, I got a piece of tape on here from days gone by, from previous. I used to tape them down. I totally skipped that step now because it's so much faster just doing it. Yep. All right, here we go. And we're down. And we're smushing. And we're just wondering what's happening under there. Big surprise. Instant satisfaction. Love that. Oh, coolness. Okay, I took that one with me. Oh, it's still cool. All right, we like it. Very mysterious trees. Very cool. That will go really cool in my mysterious nature book that I'm slowly working on. Oh, that came out neat. I like that. It's almost like framed. Very cool. Okay. Yeah. All right, so now we're going to try this one. Try that. I can put you down here. What are you, anyway? You're like a fairy princess or something. Okay. And we got some alphabet. And, well, what else? What else got? More fairy princess? Okay. I don't know who you belong to, but, well, we'll give you a go. Doop-de-doop-de-doop. Okay. Oh, I know what it is. I keep spraying over there so they're getting wetter. That's what I'm doing with my stencils that I've already done. Little overspraying occurring at the Paper Outpost. It happens. Yeah. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, that's different. Okay. Yeah. I love it when people say, oh, that's different. That's interesting. That's unique. Yep. We all know what that means. Okay, here we go. And, oh, hey. I think I rolled over into the second video, so here I am. So I will go ahead and wrap this up because we are pretty much we're not coming to the end of the paper yet, but I think you've probably seen me do enough of this by now. So what can I tell you? I can go over with you that, hey, my videos come out every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. We're going to put you sideways. And my podcasts, which I talk about junk journal stuff, come out every Tuesday and Thursday. If you like that sort of thing, come on and have a listen. If you're on Apple Podcast or Spotify or Google Podcast, or if you're no podcaster and don't even know what a podcast is, basically podcast is you just listen. It's almost like radio. You just listen to whatever the topic is of your choice. And I have the Joy of Junk Journals channel, the Paper Outpost Joy of Junk Journals. And it is all new material. It's not my audio from these videos. It's just topics related to junk journaling. And I just, sit there and we chat away. Sometimes it's all just me. Sometimes I interview people. And what else? If you don't have an account at one of those, Spotify, Apple, or Google Podcast, where there's about 8 other things total that you can listen to it on, you can just go to anchor.fm and look up the Paper Outpost, and you can listen to it right on your computer or your phone or your iPad, your tablet, right from the website. So you don't have to have one of those services. It's free to listen to on any of those. And there you go. And if you haven't seen my digital vintage digital kits on their vintage, this is hard to say, vintage digital printables on Etsy. So if you like those, the old papers, but maybe you find them hard to find or they're expensive, or let's just say they take up too much space if you actually had all the original of everything in your house, and you just don't have a lot of space to commit to craft supplies. Having it on your computer does save space. So that's another reason why somebody might want to do that. So check those out if you haven't checked those out, and see if you find something that tickles your fancy. There's old documents and butterfly stuff and all sorts of random stuff. Lots of fun. What else can I tell you? What else? I told you about the newsletter. I told you about the digitals. And I told you about the note from the bookmaker. And the Facebook group. Yeah, the Facebook group. Come on out and have some fun. I get so many ideas from the folks on the Facebook group, and everybody is sharing and so helpful and so kind to each other and supportive and encouraging each other to make things and do things and go for it and have fun. And it's just a whole lot. It's a whole lot of plain stinking fun. Yeah, these are pretty cool, aren't they? Am I taking time to show you? There we go. I'm like putting random things together now. Did I make it through them all? I think so. I just have these. I have feet, and I have some, these are like holidays and Merry Christmas. So I don't think I'm going to use those right now, but I've got through, I made this. And this is made out of, what on earth is that in there? Pieces of fabric or something. But I had a little skinny magazine I got in the mail, so I decided to use it as a base for something, and I just sewed some fabric around it and made it into a little pocket, and now I store my stencils in it. And I would demonstrate that, but my stencils are all covered in coffee, and I really do think I should probably rinse these off in the sink because I'm bad, but I'm not that bad. You know what I mean? So, okay, there you go, folks. I hope you had fun today. This is a fun and easy project. Anybody can do it, and I love spending time with you guys. So jump on in and go grab your spritzer bottle and empty it out, rinse it out, and put in some instant dried coffee. I find works best because it's very concentrated. You can make it as concentrated or as pale as you like. And just go to town and have some fun. It's a very, very simple thing to do. So I will be talking to you next time. Happy crafting. Remember that fun can be simple, and create with reckless abandon, everybody. Bye-bye.